chỉ bởi về cô lệ mi zong zong ina kan mel shiat nau panga changa tuna la dam lai pitar putar zong zong thenga kan shiat lar mai Queen of Tennessee lal nu emo Queen of Country anti chin country singer le songwriter lar tak mai Dolly Parton su kum somriat mi ni in risom ni panga ogas sang risom ni parukhan aborala Dolly Parton hi ke ni ho no pan lai ti taila hang chuan awang lai apel chho chan to te poti la tar chho chan to te poti la amaro chu ke ni ho apokhan ala tlana viawani ala sang te tin athon thu anga kanin lan chhon hun lai kha ani awangin coat of many colors te athon thu Dolly Parton ni te chung ko thon thu le a chan chin te kha kani te hian bin sil thina abu te khan kan chiar thina angai no me kan ti khopa feel veng thon thu lampang ngai nom ti chi hi kaloni ve shima khang a story te a hla te ne han ngai thak phei chuan Dolly Parton hi chu atlana ni tin country music mizo te ngai na zong tak mai hla sa thin lo ni le zel bok nen Dolly Parton ya chuai no lam to te kan ti takna chuai ni tak taka nei lo kom somri atani thleng hian an khuwa nge po lomala lo atin mi pui tam tak hian ama mu chakin asum do na muna te po an lakal khom rui reng zelani ale empori sela Dolly Parton ni chanjin tam tak chu kan the tonga tlema zong kan soyenga tun tuma kan soi ber tur chu Dolly Parton hi sum tam taka thok chuaka zai thiam hetiang milar zinga sum thok chuak nem ber pol ani amaro chu adam chung hian Billionaire Lisa mi ho saton to ho Billionaire zinga alang tel ngai lo chu chuan chan ro pui le ril takania chung te chu tun tuma hian kan endo na ni Dolly Parton hi azai ma khop maya kum sang khaza ko somnga paruk atanga sang khaza ko somnga pasari vel kum som atanga kum som pakhat vel ani chokhan local radio an bial chunga radio artist ani to alo zai to thin ani January ni som pakwa sang khaza ko somli paruk khan Tennessee ya inte takte ya apianga an unaw hi som pani zet mai niya palina ania mere thei takan ni thina apa hi vailo ching thin ani farmer ania ti chuanin apa hian ziak le chiar thiam reng lawani ti chuan an chung koin en kol dan po hi dang dai ko me unaw heti zat mai ni wang hian a upalam ania ti chuan anu hian an naw te an en kol tur hi chanvo pe a ti chuanin an naw te khati khan nu din mun nu mo phurna kha chel tir hlom thina ni an chung koin rel bol dana hian mi pui ma ain lan masak ber professional stage performance ane masak ber po hi alanau pang khomai kum som pathum mi ani la ya ni ya July ni som ni panga sangkhaza ko somnga pakwa Grand Ole Opria han lo perform zak tori ti chuanin ain for chhozela sangkhaza ko somruk pasari khan kum som ni pakhat mi chu ani lain album masaber chu Hello I'm Dolly ti chu a release chuan hi ashal kal ngal khop maya Billboard top country album chart po number 11 na som pakhat na aron hau chawa ti chuanin ahlalar tam tak aron ti chuaka ahla hi play ila kan sakpui dual thei deuh vekani tun lai mi atanga man lai mi ka ti kha kan du ron em vek mai ni Dolly Parton la hi chu coat of many colors te I will always love you te Jolene te 9 to 5 te Island in the Stream te tamlu tuk kan soi seng lawang chuti khop chona lara tin sum po athok chuak nemani heng album shal zong te tang hian sum tam takala lutani album shalna ringot po hi millions achuang ashal chuaka chuta tang ringot po chona sum mu hi tam khop maya tin film lama te po na satakin ain panga tin asum dona Dollywood tele asum dona dang ane sang te hi million tam takani chuta tang ringot po chuan poisa tho chu hnemle a hausak zia chu kan the theyome Dolly Parton hi athi ni thenga as anei ro sum te engeni a company te po riang chu tin a poisa de te in le lo zong zong te na asum nei hlut zong hi dollar zali som nga million zali som nga atanga million zaruk vel bor anga chut ania nan soita kang khan Dolly Parton hi a poisa tho chu zong zong te le a hla le asum do na danga tanga a tho chu zong zong atang hian billionaire lisa om to turani zai thiam dang te le mi house dang te anga billionaire lisa om to turani na soi tong khan Dolly Parton hi hena album shalna changte sumtam takala luta tin Dollywood company atangin theme park changtlung tak mai le ro pui tak mai aneya heta hian 50% azat ve hi he company a hian nei tu ni na achanga chumi a nei tu ni na changa a hausang na chu company atanga a nei hlut zong chu dollar million za som ruk vel zet ani pokari tin publishing rights aneya a hla te tam tak te heng atang hian sum ala la lu renga chung hlut zong chu million za sum ni vel ania tin movie atang te tv production atang te license atang te partnership le khang sang atang te Dolly Beauty Cosmetic line atang te point sum tam tak ala lu tani amaro chu alak lu zong zong chan ve ai tam hi Dolly Parton hian charity a bidang te tan a pe chua kani chunga pek chuana lar tak mai te chu epa video siam hi en lokila.
We should never forget that Dolly Parton chose to not be a billionaire. Because she could have. Dolly Parton made so much money, she could have let her money make money. But instead, she chose to reinvest in people and her community. And today, when I went to my mailbox on the day she died, there was proof of that sitting right there waiting for me. It was this book right here, Forts, from the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. Since the day my son has been born, once a month, the Dolly Parton Imagination Library, in partnership with local nonprofits, has mailed my son, like millions of American kids across America, a book for his parents to read to him, to foster a love of reading and literacy and dreams and wonder. And when my son gets home, we'll unwrap this and we'll read it. But she sent many books to us. She sent this book. It's called A Little Emotional. Because again, Dolly Parton spent millions of dollars making sure that kids were not illiterate. She wanted to make sure that kids knew how to read, how they could understand the world around them, and that they could understand how to process their emotions. This is what she spent her money on instead of buying Twitter. She sent the animal song to my son instead of trying to buy an election. She sent little poems for tiny ears instead of trying to spread misinformation about fucking vaccines. She sent dandelion magic to our front door instead of villainizing fucking trans people. J.K. Rowling. She sent Kayas for kindness instead of trying to go and harp even more on dividing us as a people. She sent Llama Llama meets the babysitter instead of going and reinvesting in Palantir. She sent the big slide instead of making sure we slid into fascism. She said, how we say I love you instead of making us hate each other. She said, let's explore the seashore instead of buying flock cameras. She said, don't lose Mr. Cuddles, a book all about loss and how to get around and over these feelings through your family. She sent birding for babies, and she sent my son's favorite book, Gaga Mistake Day, a book about how you can hang out with your grandmother and be silly and make mistakes and everything will be all right. That pile is proof of why Dolly Parton will be remembered and loved.
He painaron soi chu Dolly Parton hian Dolly Imagination Library hemi hi sang kha ko som ko panga a adin kha ania apa ziagle chiar thiam lo puala ati kha nia American le khovela no pangtena lekhabu thazok lekhabu le ziagle chiar thiam lo an om lo nan mo a thon liawin thatin kum ngatling lo te hena he a library ronin ziak lut te hena chuan thatin a free in mi million thum le chan ve chuang an tamania mi noi som thum panga vel an ni chu chung chu no pang te hena chuan thatin an thon char thian ani chu tun thleng hian chuanin no pang te hian kumngan tin ma in kumngan tin hian lekhabu som ruk vel bor an dong man to thin lekhabu thak tak tak te nung changin zirti na te lekhabu hlu tak tak te ani chu apoisa man bral turu to zia chu sang kha ko som ko panga tang khan mi million thum tu na chon mi million thum le ti kha ne million zani somsari vel hi a thon dar to mi sing million zani somsari vel hele khabu imagination library atang hian a thon chuak to khovel puma chuta tan chuan thatinin apu ale khabu print mante at phurson mante a deliver manate million tam tak he a foundation mang hian a library foundation mang hian a lo khoral to thina chu chu voin a thi ni thlenga ala kalpui ngar ngar ani tin an khuale cheve la mi te tan zirlai no pangte tan scholarship te alo pe chuak to thina tin my people fund mangin sangni som paruk khan kang mai na sa tak chuaka khan dollar million som pani zet mai poisa alo pe to bokari tin medical research atan covid-19 vaccine khami an kalpui ve lai khan million khat zet mai hengatan hian alo pe to boka tin no pangte healthcare atan hian poisa lo seng nual to cancer research atan no pangte tan big hian $1 million khat lo donate to boka thil chi sang sang chiar sen lo omang disaster relief atan te po sangni somni pali lok te po khan dollar million ni lai mai alo pe chuak to boka hurricane heleni hurricane victim te tran khami har sana tok te tran puinan khan ti chuanin adon let ve thung hi Jeff Bezos hian dollar million za zet mai a charity tan hian heng vel a buai puina tan hian lo pe ve to bokari sangni somni pani kum khan ani kan soi seng lawang Dolly parton ni hian adam chung hian a poisa tho chu zong zong chan ve aya tam dollar million zaruk chuang hi charity tan midang te tran puinan midang te pualin a pe chuak ani an soi tong khan billionaire lisa om wang thei to tur khopa biro pui le poisa thok chuak na sa le larani amaro chu asum tho chu chan ve aya tamzet mai chu midang te tran puinan midang te tan a hlan chuaka midang ten zirtir na thazok lo dong se midang ten no pangten lekha lo thiam se zirtir na tha dong se ti in a thloni na thona buai pui vek mai ni aro pui khop mai mi hausa tam takin nei belan duwa nei bel zelan duan poisa mangin adangan invest a khatiangan ti line Dolly parton ero in etiang hian atilo bishing ni min zirtir ti in American mi puite hian an ngai sangin an chuang em ani Dolly parton hian kan soi tong khan Dollywood adina chuta chuan an company na an thil ti lian tham tak mai chu Dollywood theme park ania roller coaster lian turulu tuk mai te omani he theme park hi an lun em khop maya ni khata hian atlang puin mi sing khat sang khat atanga mi sang khat sing khat sang thum vel an inan tlo thina atam chang phai chon weekend atet phai chon sing ni sanga chuang ten an tlo thina ni he an park ki Dollywood theme park ki kumtin mi million thuma changa mi million livelin an tlo thina ni ti chon mi puina an ngai hlut em zinga mi pakhat chu he apa ka hian he a theme park ka hian Dolly parton hi a in lan zeu thiani a kha tokin kal hun aneya chu ta chon mi pui tam takin an lo muakin an lo lom thina ni ahun nung lama po pidoli hian asum do na huang ala zau zela mani mai jun ni somni pali khan Cornsville, Tennessee Dolly Tennessee travel stop truck ho te ta na chol na tur kongsira chol na nuam tak mai tur kha an hong le ria
doing today out in that hot boiling sun? Anyway, I want to welcome all of you and say thank you for coming. We're very excited.
Ador hon te hi ahun nung lam video kan mu thei da chu lo ri to maya he khuwa hian pitiang o lal nu an ti hial kha anian bial vela hian he dor hon program a po hian mi pui an thanem tham hle ni ti chuan ahun nung lama hian kal akala lungte om wangin har sadda atoka abak natna benvon tak tak ani shiat ani lova immune system chaklo wangten enkol na alo dong fo to amaro chu tianga natna pa ngai takane ang kha hriat ne lo kan hriat to angin kum somariat mi lai alo ni ve to a lo pa ve ta a atlin tabik lawani tiswan at thi chan chiang takhi puanzar alani lawani.
Hey everyone, my name is Brian Seaver, son of Cassie Parton, and I am representing the Parton and Owens family today, announcing the passing of my Aunt Dolly Rebecca Parton Dean, sister, sis, Aunt Granny to one generation and Gigi to the next. This video announcement is something Dolly asked of me years ago, before I fully absorbed it as a future reality.
Tisun kha athi thu kha anron tar lang ta a anaw fa pa in aron puang ani Isuanin Dolly Parton hian fa nei lo ti kha sheta hila Donald Trump po hian he Dolly Parton ni thi chongchang a hian statement aron neya country single ro pui takania a thi na hi mitam taktan million tam taktan channa na sa takania ani ang hian piang le to lawanga nom le to lo bokang tin ama aza na pualin kar khat chung Wain tlai da ruga tang hian America flag chu azar na pa ngai tangin da niam tur de hi kan soi thin dan chon angul chan ve zar kan tiang kha ani ti chuanin he thui Donald Trump chuan aron puanga White House a po ken ko ngalani ya ti chuan pun sang sanga po heng flag te hi zar nia mare Dolly Parton ni Paul hian America mi puiten an ngai hlu tak zeta khovel mi puiten an ngai hlu tak zeta khovela mishing ni dan min zirtir tu mi tha ni dan min zirtir tu midang te ta na nung midang te ta na in hlan anei sum le ama po in uilo tia khovelena an shia jeng to tur zai thiam ro pui ani Tichuan White House atanga bulchanin America flag te chu angul chan vea zar aloni hlom ta ati nei mai ba ka hian State Empire Building po Dolly Parton ni Paul hian a pinkin an color ani zan lama tin hei mai ba ka hian a chen na in le a che vela te bepui tam tak ama ngai sang tu le ama ui tu te an pung khom nem hle ni
Front of the house. Keep moving, please.
Way home from dances. The police is
Black SUV. Keep
monitoring
moving.
traffic to show our respects to Miss Dolly. You see the traffic of people here and here who have come to do it. Looks like they're gonna let us all come. As you can see, so many people have come. Say hi. We'll just make our way here to the memorial. Here we are. Front gate here. Okay. I'm gonna lift the phone, give us a view of the house.
Do not stop in the middle of the road. Please keep moving.
She also has a chapel back there, her own church, and
It's okay,
we have a nice guest house that her sister and niece have always lived in. Here we go. I'm just